Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is GERF, a group event recommendation framework based on learning to rank. Now we are going to see the abstract. So event recommendation is an essential means to enable people to attractive upcoming social events such as party, exhibition, movie and concert. The primary objective of this project is to sentiment about a product or a service from the online reviews in the World Wide Web. So here we are taking the IMDb dataset. IMDb is International Movie Database. So to investigate the problem, automatic text categorization and sentiment classification, the overall view towards subjective information such as opinion on products and attitudes from languages. So here we are using the deep learning concept called convolutional neural network model, shown remarkable result for classifying text and sentiments. We present our approach on the task of classifying movie reviews using the word embedding on IMDb dataset. Here we are going to find the sentiment accuracy based on text classification using CNN algorithm. Our results suggest that the sentiment classification based on movie consists of positive and negative. Finally, we also show the graph based on accuracy and loss during classification on train and test data using CNN algorithm. Now we are going to see the flow of the project. So initially we have to start the process and we have to select the dataset. We are taking the dataset from UCI repository. So here we are taking IMDb dataset. The IMDb dataset is already I told it is an international movie database. So in this we have to load the data, and after loading the data we have to pre-process it. So in the pre-processing step we are going to convert the inconsistent data into the consistent one. So for that we are doing two things. One is missing data removal and encoding categorical data. So after that we are going to split the data into train and test. From the train test data we have to extract the features as embedding and embedding it. So and after that feature extraction we are going to classify the positive and negative reviews in movie using CNN algorithm. CNN is a convolutional neural network. The convolutional neural network have the layers. For example, it is like input, hidden, and output layer. So hidden layers have so much of layers. So after that, we are predicting the reviews, and we have to finally show the result based on train and test. Now we are going to see the running procedure of the project. So here there will be the movie.py file. So I have to I click and run. Okay. So then the process can run like this. So here the database is very big. So the data set here we are taking the IMDb dataset now. So this is very big database. So it takes some time to execute. So wait for some time. So here we are having running the approaches. So this based on the approaches only we are getting the accuracy. So value accuracy, this is accuracy and this is validation accuracy, this is loss and validation loss. So after completing 6 approaches we are getting the final execution result. So here our training sample is 32,000 and validate sample is 8,000. So totally 40,000 data is there. So now final approach is running. So our test CNN score is 0.3, that is called loss, and accuracy is 84 point something. So this is the final result we are getting. So this is a accuracy graph for train and test, and this is the loss graph for train and test. So here this is actually the layers what we are using in this project. So in CNN we are using the embedding hidden layer, convolutional 1D layer, global max pooling 1D layer, and dense 1 layer. These are all the layers we are using for the hidden layers here. So then this is the original data set which we are taking for us events and events. So then after that here we are splitting the data into test and train now. So this is the X train data. So X test data, Y train data, so then Y test data. So based on this train and test only we are calculating the model, CNN model using CNN. So we are getting these accuracy score. Thank you for watching this video.